When traveling to Istanbul, one of the main concerns for many visitors is finding budget-friendly airport transfer solutions. With the city's bustling traffic and complex public transportation system, navigating from the airport to your final destination can be a daunting task. However, there are several options available to ensure a smooth and affordable transfer experience. One of the most popular budget-friendly airport transfer solutions in Istanbul is the Havabus shuttle service. Operating between the city center and Istanbul's main airports, Havabus offers a convenient and cost-effective way to reach your destination. With fixed fares and frequent departures, this shuttle service is a popular choice among budget-conscious travelers. Another budget-friendly option is to use public transportation, such as buses and metro lines, to reach your destination from the airport. While it may take more time and effort compared to other transfer solutions, using public transportation can help you save money on your journey. For those looking for a more private and comfortable transfer experience, booking a taxi or a private transfer service is another option to consider. While this option may be slightly more expensive than the previous ones, it can provide added convenience and flexibility, especially for those traveling with a lot of luggage or arriving late at night. In conclusion, there are several budget-friendly airport transfer solutions available in Istanbul to suit every traveler's needs and preferences. Whether you prefer a shuttle service, public transportation, or a private transfer, there are options to choose from that can help you reach your destination without breaking the bank. By planning ahead and researching the best transfer solution for your needs, you can ensure a stress-free and budget-friendly start to your trip in Istanbul.